On today's video, I'm showing you how to make bacon jalapeno burger sliders. Perfect for any game or tailgate, so let's get to cooking. So we got King Hawaiian rolls. These are perfect for sliders. They taste fantastic. Look at that. They're so cute. They're so cute. Hey, these are already cut too. Oh, we don't need to show off our brand new Kosmos Q meat slicer. 12-inch. Built sturdy, heavy duty, nice stainless steel. Nice stainless steel. What else? Got the handle, the grippy handle. It's badass. That's what I know. All right, put that there. Let's get to cooking. All right, so we got 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground burger meat. Now, I'm gonna season this up with some garlic jalapeno, some of our sizzling burger. This one, they're both fantastic, but this one, next level. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of finely chopped jalapenos and 1 cup finely chopped onion, and just mix it all in. So I'm gonna put some cheese down on the bottom. These are gonna be extra cheesy. As soon as our meat is done, we're gonna put it on top of here, get to building this thing, put it in the Traeger. I can't wait. All right, so I have my butter on here. I'm gonna be basting the tops of these with that, and then I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of SPG, but I always like to put my butter on my griddle. Just move it over to the cool side, melts it perfectly. You don't have to mess with the microwave or anything. Oh yeah. Chopped bacon. Probably a little bit of overkill, but that's okay. These are game day sliders. You want to impress your guests. Show them you're not cheap. Say we double up on the meat or the cheese on this. Now we put the lid on. Oh, these are some fat little dudes. Grab your butter. Brush the tops. This right here helps to crisp it up. You get a nice little golden color, little golden brown on top. Add a little more. But it also acts as a binder. And you can do this anyway. You can put your rub in here or whatever herbs you like in there. I like to do it like this. Brush it with some butter, and then I just lightly sprinkle some SPG on top. So we got the Traeger running at 350 degrees. We're gonna put these in there. It's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes. Then there'll be time to cut up and serve. All right, so they've been on about 35 minutes. And boy, they look absolutely fan-friggin-tastic. Now, let's get them on the cutting board, serve them up. These absolutely look and smell fantastic. We had a little bit of trouble. We'll cut in some of that footage right here, getting them out. I did not spray the bottom of the pan. That was my bad. I should have done that, but I didn't do it. Rookie mistake is what it is, but we got them out. Who wouldn't have guessed? The one in the middle is the only one that stuck. But hey, that's what we do as professionals. We're pros, right? That's what we're all striving for. We divide, we conquer, and we overcome. I'm not gonna let one slider take me down. All right, so we made some, I call it spicy mayo. We took some of our buffalo hot wing sauce and mixed it in with these mayo. And this is gonna be perfect for dipping or drizzling. And that's what I'm gonna do. You do what you wanna do, but I'm gonna do it like this. Let's just dive right in. All right, so we got them all cut up. They look and smell fantastic. Oh my goodness, look at that. This looks and smells freaking amazing. In the top, the crunch on this, I cannot wait. Let's get to dipping. good. Man, that is what I am talking about right here. Your guests are gonna absolutely love these. I love how the bread is toasted up with a little bit of that SPG on there. These are gonna be a game time hit for sure. So hey, I wanna thank you for watching. As always, if you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com, click on it, print it out, make it for you and your family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. If I say that one more time, I'm gonna punch myself. Or do. Pro tip, spray the bottom of the pan. Ready? This needs a tailgate. It was one. There was one. There was one in there, just being an asshole.